Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss Schrodinger's wave equation. As we know, the particle has wave properties, then there should be some sort of wave equation which is used to describe the behavior of that particle. That work has been done by Schrodinger, which connects the expression of de Broglie wavelength with the classical wave equation for a moving particle, and he obtained a new wave equation. That equation is called as Schrodinger's wave equation. It is in two forms. One is time independent wave equation, other one is time dependent wave equation. In this we are going to see what is Schrodinger's wave equation of time independent form. Consider a system of stationary waves associated with the particle. Let x, y, z be the coordinates of the particle and psi be the wave displacement for de Broglie waves at any time t. So the classical differential equation of wave motion is given as dou squared psi by dou x squared plus dou squared psi by dou y squared plus dou squared psi by dou z squared is equal to 1 by v squared dou squared psi by dou t squared. Here v is the velocity of the particle, and in equation 1 can be written as del squared psi is equal to 1 by v squared dou squared psi by dou t squared. Here del squared is nothing but dou squared by dou x squared plus dou squared by dou y squared plus dou squared by dou z squared, which is also called as Laplacian operator. The solution for equation 2, which gives this psi value of a periodic displacement in terms of time. So psi of xyz t is equal to psi naught of xyz into exponential of minus I omega t. Here psi naught of x naught xyz is a function of xyz only and gives the amplitude of the point which is considered. So we are going to differentiate the equation number 3, that is dou psi by dou t is equal to minus I omega psi naught exponential of minus I omega t. We are going to have one more differentiation, that is second order differentiation we have with respect to t. So that is dou squared psi by dou t squared is equal to minus omega minus I omega psi naught exponential of minus I omega t. Simplifying this equation, we get dou squared psi by dou t squared is equal to minus omega squared psi, and substituting the equation number 3 in equation 2, we get del squared psi is equal to omega squared by v squared into psi. Here del squared psi plus omega squared by v squared psi is equal to 0. Here we apply the angular frequency, that is omega is equal to 2 pi nu, that is equal to 2 pi nu by lambda. Substitute the value in the above equation, that is equation number 5, we get omega squared by v squared is equal to 4 pi squared lambda squared. So substitute the equation of equation number 7 in equation number 5, we get del squared psi plus 4 pi squared by lambda squared into psi is equal to 0. This is known as de Broglie wavelength, that is lambda is equal to h by mv. On substituting the value of lambda in the above equation, that is 8th equation, we get del squared psi plus 4 pi squared by h squared by m squared v squared into psi is equal to 0. When we simplify, we get del squared psi plus 4 pi squared m squared v squared by h squared into psi is equal to 0. Here E is the total energy of the particle, V is the potential energy, and half mv squared is the kinetic energy. Then the above equation can be written in the other form. Total energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. Add these two values, will get E minus V is equal to half mv squared. Multiply by m, and on both sides we get m squared v squared is equal to 2m ev, E minus V. Here we are going to substitute the value of equation number 10. In 9 we get del squared psi plus 4 pi squared by h squared 2m E minus V into psi is equal to 0. So del squared psi plus 8 pi squared m by h squared into E minus V psi is equal to 0. This is the equation of Schrodinger's time independent wave equation. Here h bar is equal to h by 2 pi. So h bar squared is equal to h squared by 4 pi squared, where h cross is a reduced Planck's constant, and the equation number 11 is modified as del squared psi plus m by h squared by 8 pi squared E minus V into psi is equal to 0. So simplify and get, we are getting del squared psi plus 2m by h cross squared E minus V into psi is equal to 0. This is called as Schrodinger's time independent wave equation. Thank you.